Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case in which the assessee has filed a writ petition against the order under section 153C, and the issue before the Honorable Court was that whether an Excel sheet just on the basis of the statement of a person can be considered as incriminating material, especially in those cases where that Excel sheet does not contain the information related to the assessment year for which the notice to the assessee under section 153C has been issued. This matter has been taken up by Honorable Delhi High Court in the case of Rakesh Babbar versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax and another, and this case is reported in 476 ITR at page number 439. And the date of the judgment is 23rd April 2025. In the present case, there was a search on one group, RJ group, and in the search of that RJ group, the statement of a person RK was recorded. Apart from that, one Excel sheet was found in the search of RJ in which there was information related to the balance sheet of a builder, CCP, as on 17th March 2017. So on the basis of that Excel sheet and on the basis of the statement of Mr. RK, the assessing officer concluded that assessee has invested some amount in cash in the mall developed by the CCP. The assessee raised its objection that this Excel sheet is not an incriminating material and whatever the information has been shared with the assessee does not relate to the assessment year for which the notice has been issued to the assessee. So this is not a incriminating material as per the mandate of section 153C, but the assessing officer didn't accepted the objections of the assessee and made the additions of the assessee in the assessment under section 153C. The assessee challenged this assessment in a writ petition, and when this matter was heard by the court said that in the present case, from the facts and circumstances of the case, it cannot be concluded that there was any incriminating material because the only information available with the assessing officer was the Excel sheet which was considered as incriminating material just on the basis of the statement of one person RK. The court said that even if the statement of that person RK is considered or taken into consideration, even then the notice to the assessee cannot be sent to the assessee for the assessment year 18-19 because the Excel sheet contained the information related to the one builder CCP as on 17th March 2017, and in any remote case if the notice has been sent to the assessee, that should be for the assessment year 17-18 and not assessment year 18-19. The court said that the amount reflected in the Excel sheet was related to the assessment year 17-18 and the jurisdictional requirement of incriminating material has not been fulfilled for issuing the notice under section 153C, and hence the assessment is also bad in law, which is done just on the basis of the Excel sheet and on the basis of the statement of one person RK. Friends, it has been seen that whenever the searches are made, some soft data is found in the search of other persons, and just on the basis of those data, whatever the figure is coming, whatever the names are coming, the notices under section 153C are sent to all those persons for the searches which has been made before 1st April 2021. So this is not the mandate of section 153C to come into the definition of incriminating material. There should be some concrete against the assessee. Just a cursory information related to any person cannot be turned into as a incriminating material for issuing the notice and for completing the assessment under section 153C. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the person, the name of the case. The name of the case is Rakesh Babbar versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax and another, and this case is reported in 476 ITR at page number 439, and the date of the judgment is 23rd April 2025. Thank you, friends.